Torrential slide is a brilliant agreement stage for sending off decentralized applications, monetary resources, and for making custom blockchain networks. The point of torrential slide is to be a worldwide resource trade that can permit anybody to send off, exchange, or make any type of resource and control it in a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other state-of-the-art innovation. Thus, most market financial backers are taking a gander at how to purchase torrential slide. The designers at Avalanche guarantee that torrential slide is the primary savvy contract network that offers exchange conclusion in less than 1 second as standard. The mainnet of torrential slide was sent off in September 2020 and the stage's local token is Avax, which performs different undertakings inside torrential slide and furthermore can be utilized as a prize and installment framework. The local badge of torrential slide, Avax, has a restricted stock of 720 million coins. The coin is utilized as a feature of the agreement instrument as well as utilized for paying organization exchange charges. What is Avax? Torrential slide is a shrewd agreement stage that permits you to foster decentralized applications, monetary resources, and custom blockchain networks. Torrential slide will likely be a worldwide resource trade that permits anyone to send off, exchange, or foster a resource and control it decentralized using savvy contracts and other state-of-the-art innovation. As per Avalanche, torrential slide is the principal savvy contract network that conveys exchange conclusion in under 1 moment as standard. Torrential slide's mainnet started in September 2020, and the stage's essential token is Avax, which plays out various positions inside torrential slide and may likewise be used as a prize and installment framework. Aram Firearms Sire, Kevin Sekanicki, and Malfin Ted Yin are the 3 fellow benefactors of Avalanche. Sire is a carefully prepared PC researcher notable for his work on Bitcoin and decentralized networks. Yin and Sekanicki are Cornell College graduates with a PhD in software engineering. Torrential slide's significant objective is to contend with Ethereum by making its own decentralized money biological system. A few Ethereum-based DeFi projects have previously converged with the stage, including BZX, SushiSwap, Reef, Securitize, and TrueSD. Torrential slide is likewise fostering an extension to the Ethereum organization, permitting clients to consistently move resources between the two chains. Will the cost of torrential slide go up in 2023? Torrential slide went through the bear stage and dropped in esteem like the majority of the other cryptographic forms of money because of the Luna Drove crash. The FTX Drove market slump likewise didn't help its case and pushed this symbolic nearer to its untouched lows in November 2022 at $12. In any case, the reality actually stays that it is a creative cryptographic money with significant potential gains, if there is a significant improvement in its biological system. All things considered, the symbolic's worth has, truth be told, expanded in the beginning of January, despite the fact that it was not really on its own benefit since it followed the group's overall feeling about Bitcoin. The re-established interest has indeed placed torrential slide on the radar. Furthermore, torrential slide has been made blissful by this recently discovered bid, which has caused it to speed up its presentation of overhauls, one of which is a declaration by Amazon Web Administrations, which showed up to openly endorse this stage. Considering this, there is plausible that torrential slide will go higher this year. In any case, by how much is an inquiry that we really want more information on. The months are still early, and the market is unstable. All things considered, the people who are still keeping watch for utility-centered cryptos could track down a ton to get behind concerning torrential slide, which will wind up pushing the Avax cost upwards. Purchasing torrential slide as a CFD item. Contracts, for contrasts, are monetary subsidiaries that permit you to conjecture on various monetary business sectors while not claiming the hidden resource. It is generally used in laid-out business sectors, for example, unfamiliar trade cash matches, values, bonds, records, and wares. Exchanging CFDs requires something beyond trading. It additionally includes consenting to trade the distinction in a resource's cost between the time the agreement is open and the time it lapses. CFD exchanging has advanced into the cryptographic money industry, and Avax is presently accessible as a CFD item. On the off chance that you're having issues understanding Bitcoin exchanging or putting away your crypto reserves, you can profit from Avax by utilizing CFDs. We empower exchanging Avax CFDs on the Binance or Coinbase stages since they are managed and incorporate different logical apparatuses. Tax collection on Avax profit. As the digital money market is still in its early stages and setting up a good foundation for itself, administrative specialists, including the SEC, are endeavoring to control it. Moreover, the Inside Income Administration has been attempting to foster a digital currency charge structure. As of now, cryptographic forms of money and advanced resources are treated as land and subsequently dependent upon capital additions tax collection. In any case, in specific conditions, digital money profit are viewed as pay and fall into the annual duty classification. While trading advanced resources, the accompanying available occasions trigger capital increases and annual assessments. The Interior Income Administration gave IRS Notice 2014-21. IRB 2014-16, giving direction to people and partnerships on the assessment treatment of virtual money exchanges. People who have Bitcoin as a capital resource yet are not in the exchange or business of selling cryptographic money could track down replies in the IRS's much of the time posed inquiries on virtual cash exchanges. Benefit is alluded to as acquire in the expense world. It's the distinction between your duty premise and the sum you get when you sell or trade them. All things considered, tides have begun to turn in a positive heading in 2023. And because of Bitcoin's new resurgence, Torrential Slide has gotten a few advantages. The token has gone through numerous bullish ticks for the beyond couple of days and is surrounding $20. The new resurgence has driven bulls to revitalize, and they are attempting to keep up with help at $18. On the off chance that Torrential Slide can continue over this level for essentially a month, it can climb this year. Torrential Slide value expectation for 2023. On the off chance that the market turns significantly more sure than it is during this time, Torrential Slide can observe a bullish flippening that will push Torrential Slide's cost to $23 before the current year's over. While this is certainly not a significant flood, remember that the market has changed, and seeing illustrative increases is unimaginable in old cryptos except if you count Presale cryptographic money resources. Torrential Slide value expectation for 2024. We expect that the last ashes of the crypto winter will kick the bucket by the start of 2024, denoting the finish of the longest crypto winter on the lookout. Individuals will buy and begin to exchange cryptos, and Torrential Slide, being a DeFi resource in crypto with monstrous utility, will see another flood of purchasers. That recharged interest will push the Torrential Slide cost to $51 toward the finish of 2024. Torrential Slide value expectation for 2025. 2025 will see mass reception of DeFi and other cryptographic forms of money. To help these new ideas, states will present new guidelines in the crypto space, which will give AUG cryptos like Torrential Slide a place of refuge to develop. That interest might push Torrential Slide's value near $73 toward the finish of 2025. Torrential Slide value expectation for 2026 and then some. The crypto space is evolving quick. In this way, almost certainly, a long time from now, Torrential Slide will solidify as one of the greatest digital forms of money on the lookout. That reality alone, combined with new turns of events and more heritage advances tolerating this crypto, will see the AVAX cost siphon more. Specialists at Changelly say that Torrential Slide could develop past $100 in 2026. 5 exits unequaled high. Also, in the event that the token combines itself in the market as a resource vital for other digital currencies to thrive, we could see more rises. Outline: Torrential Slide is a stage for building decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. The Torrential Slide crypto stage, created by Avalanche, is